page 819 if you're using the large print version. Daniel 1. In the third year of the reign of King Joachim of Judah, King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon came to Jerusalem and besieged it. The Lord let King Joachim of Judah fall into his power, as well as some of the vessels of the house of God. These he brought to the land of Shinar and placed the vessels in the treasury of his gods. Then the king commanded his palace master, Ashpenaz, to bring some of the Israelites of the royal family and of the nobility, young men without physical defect and handsome, versed in every branch of wisdom, endowed with knowledge and insight, and competent to serve in the king's palace. They were to be taught the literature and language of the Chaldeans. The king assigned them a daily portion of the royal rations of food and wine. They were to be educated for 3 years, so that at the end of that time, they could be stationed at the king's court. Among them were Daniel, Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah from the tribe of Judah. Picking up in verse 17. To these 4 young men, God gave knowledge and skill in every aspect of literature and wisdom. Daniel also had insight into all visions and dreams. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
As Daniel was saying, this story happens when we lived in Jerusalem. It seemed that the people of our country were tired of paying tribute to the king of Babylon, the country next to ours. So they stopped paying the tax, which was fine for us, but not so great for the king of Babylon. We didn't know too much about this neighbor of ours, except that his name was Nebuchadnezzar. We'd heard that he'd done great things for his country. And we also heard that he had a very bad temper.
What? You're not going to pay the tax anymore. Of course they're going to pay the tax. They must pay it. What makes them think they can stop paying taxes because they don't like it? Well, we'll see who doesn't pay their tax anymore. Get my horse! Get my army! Get out of my way! We're going to Judah!
Nebuchadnezzar did come to Judah, and there was a terrible battle, and we were all taken prisoner and made to go live in Babylon.
Gave us a nice place